again and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. I am at Vacheron Constantin at Watches and Wonders 2025. Vacheron Constantin is celebrating a milestone. It's a very special time for them. They are celebrating 270 years. They have launched the Maison, the Quest, a journey for excellence and perfection in the watchmaking. A journey which excels in the mastery of craftsmanship. It is setting your own boundaries and setting the ground rules and perfecting it to another level. They define themselves what the levels are, and that's the Quest. Let's go and discover what are the new pieces that have been unveiled. We all know already about the historic 222. So they launched a new version which is in steel, which has already been unveiled. What is interesting about this historic 222 that the design remains and the same from the history. It's the new movement which is powering this particular watch. They have unveiled for 270 years some limited editions, and one which I'm going to talk right now is Patrimony Self-Winding. You see, Patrimony Self-Winding has caliber 2450 Q6 270, and it's a dial with a signature motif. The pattern on the dial, which is inspired from the Maltese cross, it is master craftsmanship at work. The next one is Patrimony Moon Phase Retrograde Date in white or pink gold. And this is again limited edition, individually numbered. It has caliber 2460 R3 1L 270. And when you see the moon phase here, there is the gold enameling on the moon, which is from the actual picture of the moon. So you know, it's like wearing the moon, actual moon on your wrist. And that's the craftsmanship that we're talking about. It's an excellence in the craftsmanship. The next one is the traditional manual winding. And what is important here is the coat unique finishing. There's a coat unique finishing out here. Other than that, it's in platinum and it's in pink gold. It is powered by the caliber 4400 AS/270. The next one, of course, my favorite, the traditional manual winding. I mean to say, if you wear this watch, there's nothing that you need other than this watch. It's a watch, it's a statement. It's a moon phase, it comes with moon phase, and without a moon phase, it's in pink gold. It is powered by the in-house caliber 1440 270. Yeah, so these are the Les Cabinetiers single pieces being introduced, and right now what I'm doing is an immersive experience out here. In front of me are the 3 watches which have been launched this year. I'm going to select one and dive deeper into the making of this watch. It's completely crazy to get immersed, and let's see how far I can go. So let me select one watch. Immerse me into this particular experience of watchmaking. Oh wow! You see the kind of craftsmanship and the masters who are working there, how much has gone into making this single watch dial. Beautiful, isn't it? This is all from me for the journey that this Maison has embarked on, the quest for excellence towards perfection in the watchmaking world. I hope you guys enjoyed this journey, and keep watching Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. Do not forget to press the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.